Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you create the interior renders like this in Procreate within a few minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. I have also exported a view from the river. This is like my bathroom that I'm going to work on it. This is the powder room, as you can see from the size of it. And this is kind of a floor plan. And these are some few images that I downloaded from Pinterest. You can just Google or you can use whatever platform that you're comfortable with. So I just downloaded these images from the Pinterest. I also downloaded some of the materials that I'm going to use in the walls, the floors, the tiling, and the door and the window as well. So yes. So once you have your Procreate string, I'm going to go to the setting and I'm going to add and insert a photo. So I'm going to look for my elevation, which is there. So you see, you will have this option. I'm going to hit the fit to canvas. So it's going to be as much as it can. So once you have your elevation model, you can do that. If you want to remove the like the cabinets and the water closet, you can totally do that. I put it so I can have a measurement, so I don't have to measure everything. So like these are rivet models, they are like accurate sizes, doors and everything. Because I just want to have a good kind of a render to show my clients. So once that is done, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the a tile on the walls. So for that, what I usually do, I'm gonna add a layer, and then I'm gonna go and create a selection on the wall that I'm going to add a tile. And I tell you why I do that. So you see it's here, and I'm gonna go and, for example, I'm gonna add the yellow color. It's here. Okay, I think it's not accurate, so I'm gonna lower the opacity. So I'm going to tell you why I did this. So once you have this thing, now I'm going to go and insert a photo. So you see, I have these style images. I'm going to use this one, import it, and you see, I'm going to have it like this. So if I'm going to use the clipping mask, so you see, it is going to be exactly what I draw the sketch. So I don't have to like, if I can do that clipping mask, or if I want to I can just have it other thing, but I think this makes easy. I don't have to resize everything. So yeah, just quickly I'm gonna repeat the same thing. I'm gonna add the layer in different color. I'm gonna add all the materials, so I'm gonna do it really quick. Okay, so in this one you can see I added the color on the two side walls as well. And I added this material, so I'm gonna put it on the both walls. But this is flat, I want to have in the 3D. So I'm gonna go to this material layer. I'm gonna hit the select thing and I'm gonna do the freeform and the distort because I wanna have into an angle. So I'm gonna go there and like this. So I'm going to just move put my Apple pencil here and move this point down. So you see now you're going to have this in angle. You can go as wide as you want. I am just going to, so I can have it like, a maximum thing. You can arrange it. So like, yeah, once this is done, and you see it covers all the area. If it's out of the area, that's fine, but it has to be like a line. So once that is done, and I think I am going to have it like this, then I'm gonna go and make it a clipping mask. So you see, it's just on the wall that I wanted, not like all around the places. So that's why I just did this thing. So I'm going to duplicate this material. I'm gonna put it over this layer, like which is this layer 6. So I'm gonna do like unclip and I'm gonna do it over there. And this material, I am going to select this arrow, and here I'm going to flip horizontally so I can use it on this side. So for this, the same thing. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna go to the clipping mask. So you see it's over there. Like I don't have to jiggle around the material. So like I posted all the materials. I'm gonna use the material for the flooring. So for the flooring, I'm thinking to use the same material as I use on the wall. So like it's just going, in the one go. So for the flooring, I'm gonna create an other color layer. I'm gonna add it. So for the flooring, I duplicate this material. And now I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the other two. I'm gonna distort it like this and this. Just try to make it like on the side that you have a grid, so it should be aligned. Just try to do that. And I'm thinking to make it align on this side as well. Like as much as I can to get the accuracy. So I think yeah, this is okay. Once you're done with this, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna go with the clipping mask. You see, it's very easy, like to do this whole thing. And for the ceiling thing, I'm gonna use not this thing, but I'm gonna use a gray material. So I'm gonna do that as well. I've just did all the like materials for the walls for the back wall. And I'm gonna add the door. So I'm gonna go this and insert a photo, and I'm gonna add this door. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it horizontally and I'm gonna remove all the edges. And I'm gonna use this sword to place it like this according to the angle, so I can make it into an angler. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this really quick. So I added door and windows using the same method. Now I'm gonna go and insert a photo for the vanity and everything. And this one, I really like this design because the whole picture of it, as you can see, the vanity, the border closet, and with the light tiles and everything. And I'm not gonna use the massage at the back. I just need these features. So I'm gonna go flip, and I'm just gonna really quick delete everything. So I'm thinking to add this wall on this thing because I kind of like this one, so I'm just changing my mind. So what I did make the selection and make a copy. So I'm gonna paste it above like this, and just be very careful so like this all align. Oops. So yeah, you make a copy like this, and you see like you have this kind of a thing, so you can do this and a little, I don't know, just make it emerge. Yeah, it works in some time, but this doesn't look good. So what I'm gonna do, you see it's separate layers, so I'm gonna combine it, and I'm gonna go and make another rectangle on the side, on the side like this, make a copy, and I'm gonna paste it over this. Oh yeah, this looks much better. So you see we have this wall, and I'm gonna paste thing underneath like this wall as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the darker thing. Don't forget to combine these layers, otherwise you're gonna be selecting a different thing. So I'm just going to do this, make a copy, and then go at the bottom and see it like this, however it fits. So yeah, and I'm gonna flip it vertically because I think the darker side is going to be at the bottom. So here it is, and if I hit the check, what I'm gonna do, a lower opacity so I can see where this wall ends. So I'm gonna remove that area like this. And also this thing. This wall is gonna be a little ahead of at the back because of this is like push out. So I'm just going to delete a small layer so you can see the depth. Yes, this is the perfect. Now I'm just going to opacity and I'm going to combine it. Yeah, now it makes sense. It's perfect. So as you can see how we did that, we have this wall over here which is just a little bit pushed out. I think I need to have this line over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and see my layer for this thing. I think it's this one. So what I can do, here I'm gonna use the erase tool and I'm going to just do this like this. And you can make these changes in the models later. So but for right now, I think it makes more sense. And then I'm gonna use and adjust my flooring as well. So I'm gonna go to the flooring and I'm just going to like this, make it big. And then I'm gonna hit the, you see, the flooring is gonna overtake with it. So something is funny here. Oh yeah, I need to remove this thing. Just make sure you're in the right layer. So I'm just going to delete it like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna make it full opacity and I'm gonna unhide the floor. So you see, like we have this vanity, and what I'm gonna do, I'm going to make a new layer, and I'm gonna like make the opacity like 45. I'm gonna use the brush tool, and I'm gonna add some shadows, to give it a depth. So I'm gonna use opacity like on the side. You see, this side, like usually you have the shadows around here, to make it like more. Just try to be like, I can use this color and create a shadow for this. Yeah, it's so easy in Procreate to pick colors. I'm gonna pick this color and then I'm gonna create the shadow around it as well. Or just make this lower and I'm gonna just drop one line quick. You see? Opacity and then just to give it a depth. And on this side as well. Because usually from the flooring, I'm gonna use this color to create some shadows. Because usually the floor has some kind of a shadow. So you see? It gives us kind of a more natural look. So if you think that some shadows are too much, we can just erase them like this. I don't know. Okay, so something is happening funny. I'm gonna look at it. What's happening here? It has to be in the tile. Yes. So I'm gonna go this eraser, full opacity. Okay, here it's done. You see how quick the render is that we did? I think it just took me like less than 30 minutes. Like, I think this thing is good for your client to show this thing, and you can show multiple options. You can change like the materials very quickly. Like for example, if you don't like this wall, you can just go like for the back, you can change different materials. For the flooring, it's very easy and quick to change different materials. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. I'll try to make another video to show you how to do a bedroom. Very quick bedroom. Like if you're a designer or not, you can just, if you have an iPad, so you can just do this practice by your own, and you can brainstorm some ideas. Hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.